So, me being a child is embarrassing now?
The point is, we didn't even notice you're not with us.
Aha, that's the embarrassing part. Okay. Hey guys, it's Tayari Chrissy and
Gabi Maus.
And today, guys, we'll be filming the mother time. So you've seen us both on the channel 2 separate times, not together, but this time we are together. And and she's up for a surprise.
What a surprise.
So guys, I have here like 20 questions. I have 20 questions for my mom, right?
20?
Ja.
Bei Jona Außenordnung unter die Gürtellinie, oder?
No.
Ja, tschüss, ja.
So, the first question is, what's your most embarrassing moment as a mom?
Well, the first thing came to mind was like when I was shopping in Jamaica with a very good friend. I think it was only you, oder haben wir da schon Sarah gehabt?
Stop chatting about in between.
Naja, auf jeden Fall, the most embarrassing moment was when this lady came into the store and she was approaching me and she did ask, is this your child? And I'm like, yes. And my friend and I, we were just looking at each other, also not even realizing that she wasn't there.
So, me being a child is embarrassing now?
The point is, we didn't even notice you're not with us.
Aha, that's the embarrassing part. Okay. So guys, the second question for her is, what is the biggest challenge you faced since being a mom? Think.
Always having enough money to provide for my children.
Okay, is that it? The biggest challenge?
But that's enough, trust me.
Okay. Number 3, guys. So, what is the best advice you have been given while you were still pregnant and expecting? And what is the biggest advice you would give to somebody who is expecting now?
Don't be.
Seriously, mommy? So, which one you answer?
Both. Don't get no children, guys. It's damn painful. You hear?
So, what about the results?
Results are good. Was soll man dazu sagen?
You know, no advice to give. Oh,
No, because nothing can prepare you for that. You can be as prepared as you want to be, so then everything just come differently anyway and your boyfriend gonna bush and...
Okay, so that's your advice. So what advice have you been given?
From who? Nobody not give me no advice. Somebody not care.
Okay, next question, guys.
I remember this one lady did ask how it is to have a baby. It's just like you want doo-doo.
Oh, God.
I guess we can't say that on TV.
This is going in the right direction, isn't it? Okay. Number 4 is, how old were you when you had me?
32. 32 years old. Just like I said when I was little. I said when I was little also, when I'm 32, I want to have my first child. Or my 2 children. Actually, I wanted to have twins, but as you can see, that didn't quite work out. Yeah.
You're throwing a shade already. You're throwing a shade already.
Shade.
Never mind.
Want me to shame?
Shade, you're throwing a shade.
What that?
Never mind.
Not never mind. What me shade?
You'll be shady.
What that? What me shady about?
It's alright. It's just a joke. Anyway, so. Mommy, I get a joke. Number 5. What is the most rewarding thing of being a mom?
Most rewarding thing of being a mom. To see them grow up and to see what nice and wonderful people they become.
Okay. Number 6. What is the best memory you have with me? The best memory of all times.
That's impossible.
Just the one that comes to your mind first.
Well, first thing come to my mind was where you didn't make.
Oh, Jesus.
There's so many. Like people hiding behind trees and taking pictures from you.
That are your best memory of me. That are people memory that.
There are so many.
Of me, not people.
To being so protective and always playing my mom.
That's your best memory when we used to do that.
Someone is a force me to say something else, man. Oh, wait until my questions are come.
No, me I ask you the question for the people that might have question. Me I say, so when me used to do that, tell them about the time. Come here, say
All the time up to this date.
Alright, that are your best memory of me. This is.
Oh no.
Come on, start over question.
Forget
Wait, no, I'm start over question. I have to
what?
edit out too much things.
You don't film nothing yet, so.
Of course, it's a film.
Really? You don't tell me.
Jesus Christ, I think this is a joke. Number
You have to
6.
cut out everything later.
Jesus Christ.
Oh.
Number 6. What is the best memory you have with me?
I remember this day when we went to the beach with your father, like, I don't quite remember how old you'll be, but still young, maybe like 3-4 years old. And all of a sudden, you wasn't there. You went missing. So
That's your best memory?
So we walked the beach up and we walked it down and back and front and we couldn't find you nowhere. And we got scared. And after a while, we did see this lady like also, and something was laying down on top of her belly like. So we went to this lady also, and God and behold, there was my girl laying on top of this tourist lady's belly sleeping. I mean, she was really shy and she usually didn't do stuff like that. And that was just so weird. I can't even tell you. But I never forget that moment.
So that's your best memory of me?
Well, there's a lot of others. But that was cute.
Okay. Number 7 is, what is the worst thing I've ever done? Oh God, I'm afraid to hear this.
Worst thing. It's not the worst thing, but it's maybe one funny thing what she did do.
Funny?
She went shopping in Germany.
That's not the worst thing.
So what you want me to say? You kill somebody?
Yes, along those lines. Something that would have make you disappointed, I know me.
I was never disappointed. There's not a worst thing. Then you could have asked me about Sarah, so there's nothing worse. I'm always proud of my children. Yeah.
So we never pranked her before.
Yeah, but that wasn't you, was it? That was your sister who was pregnant. You didn't prank me. Well, the first thing come to mind was like when I had a visitor. It was a good friend of mine. And the kids were playing outside. And Krista sneaked from behind like. And I saw that she had these stockings over her head like. And it looked really scary. And my friend, he turned around and saw her. And he almost got a nervous breakdown. And he got mad. I mean, he really got so mad. You can't even imagine. But it was really scary.
But we were just innocent kids being annoying. I didn't even realize that it was that
really
serious. But he really complained about it, and
he really got mad. He got mad. Mm-hmm.
But guys, let me tell you, it was me and some neighbor kid, and it was actually the neighbor's kid who had on the stocking over his head.
Was it?
Yeah, and the thing was also in the room, it was completely dark. And that's why he was probably that scared.
He thought it was a bad man outdoors.
Yeah, who knows what he thought.
Yeah,
but
God
we were
knows.
just being like a troublesome Pekingese.
Yeah, because he wasn't usually that jumpy.
Yeah. And what was also funny is that we weren't home the whole time. We came from next door. So I guess he didn't expect us, none at all. Nothing, you know?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Number 8 is, what habit of mine makes you the most proud?
That you never give up. You stick to your goals.
Okay, it's just one habit. Thank you. Number 9. What habit do you wish I didn't have?
Taking so long for everything. You like to be late. Like if I say 9 o'clock, you're maybe gonna be there like 10. You take forever to be ready.
Jamaican time. Oh God. Number 10. Do you share any similarities with me, physically or personality
Sieht man
wise?
doch, nur du hast die große Nase nicht. You don't get that big old nose. Yeah, and I don't get your curls, obviously. But you're blonde, sort of-ish.
Yeah, right. So tell
You're
me.
about tall like me.
Yeah, well.
Bist du?
Well, I'm gonna sit up straight.
Und ich so.
Alright. So, what do you think we have in common personality-wise?
Yeah, both very loving. We care about people. We like to help.
Number 11 is, what is something that having me has taught you?
Having you, how rewarding it is to have children, how wonderful, and I would not want to miss one day of it, really. Best thing, guys, yeah? Have kids.
That's after she don't say don't have any. Just see she has switch up.
Yeah, but after them out, so it's no problem.
Okay. So, number 12.
Number 12.
Where would you like to see me in the next 10 years?
Happy.
Where?
Hopefully in Jamaica with me, and happy and content, that you don't have to struggle for money, and just a happy life.
Just happy. Zin!
And healthy.
Yes,
That's very important.
healthy.
Healthy and happy.
Mwah. Number 13. Describe me in a single sentence. This is good.
Whoa, describe you in a single sentence. Well, Chrissy is the most annoying, loving person you ever meet.
Oh God. You actually do that very good. Oh God. Now you guys know. Number 14. How have you changed since being a mother?
I don't think I changed much. I'm still me. I'm still the same person. I just had to learn to take on much more responsibility. It's not like you're taking care of yourself. You have to take care of your 2 children, and it's quite a responsibility, as people out there will know.
Number 15. What 3 things would you advise me about for the future? Like,
Boy. Stay true to yourself.
yeah, take notes.
Do that. Be as kind as and loving as you are.
So I'm gonna have to change apartment.
No, definitely not. And just go for your goals and never give up.
All right.
Yeah, man.
So, number 60. This is a big one, guys. Do you have any regrets related to motherhood?
No, never. I always wanted to be a mother and I don't have any regrets or whatsoever. Never. Ever. Yeah, man.
All right.
Amen.
Now look, you said I can. Number 17 is...
Oh, 17. All right. I hear you.
Share the moment you were most proud of me.
Boy, there's so many.
One moment you were the most proud of me.
There are so many. Most proud. Well, when the first time we went to Germany and you did learn German so fast in kindergarten, that was one moment. I was very proud of you. And when you finished school in Jamaica and you got grades, and when we here in Germany and you got finally accepted to university also, I was like, oh, I was so proud.
That's a 3 reason now, you done?
You know. Always proud, ever, always.
Okay, number 18, guys.
Hui.
What's your most memorable moment of me as a child?
This one birthday party where they used to cook for me. I don't quite remember how old you'll be, like 9, 10-ish. Huh? And this guy and our neighbors, and so they were helping you to cook and make chicken. I don't quite remember what else you didn't make also, but you tie up my eyes so I couldn't see anything. I got sat down comfortable in my chair, and then all the surprises that came in. The food was amazing. It was really funny and very touching, and just that everybody was making me happy and having such a special day.
You see? She's really exaggerating, guys. We were making fried chicken for the first time as kids.
But it did taste nice, really. I'm not lying.
And can you imagine that?
Thanks God he didn't flour me.
Can you imagine that? We even put the chicken with the flour in the oil, and the oil wasn't even hot as yet, so the whole thing was cakey.
I didn't know that. It did. I tell no lie. It really did taste nice. Seriously. I will tell you the truth.
The only thing, I don't really remember the end results, but I remember like the catastrophe in the midnight, so I don't know if it did really good tonight.
No, it did taste nice, and it was so, it just touched my heart.
Oh God, okay. Number 19.
Getting to a big 20. Can't get any worse, can it? Oh, yeah.
Number 19.
Yeah.
Describe what a mother's love is like.
Undescribable. A mother's love is like a lioness. Anybody wants to trouble your child, you just want to kill him. You want to protect your child, keep it out of danger, and love is unconditional.
But I still ask you every day if you still love me.
Yes, you do. But you don't need to ask that because you know.
I have to check up still, you know.
Yeah, you know I love you.
Okay, number 20.
Here comes the big 20. Here
When
it comes.
Okay, number 20 is, what did you think I was going to become when I was still a little girl?
A pilot. You always said you want to be a pilot.
Okay, but before I said anything, like just seeing me grow up as young.
So what you mean? What I did see you become?
like, send me like 4 or 5-ish, just I grew up. And where you think would have become in your imagination?
I don't know, I didn't think of anything specific. I just wanted to be a happy person. Didn't think of you have to become a teacher or a lawyer or anything. Nothing like that.
Okay. So me never have any personality traits where you say, okay, she very caring, she might be a doctor or something like that.
Well, maybe a cook.
A cook. So guys, I have bonus question number 21.
Oh no, that's not fair. You said 20 questions.
Okay, what is the most annoying thing I did as a baby?
You always fall off the bed.
What's the problem? That's about me. That's about me.
She was so active.
Oh God. Now the people are going to know why I'm so annoying.
Yeah.
So what did you do? No, tell them so they no judge you now.
But, what do you mean judge me? I didn't do anything wrong.
You make me jump off of the bed?
No, it was just, she was so active.
Tell them how you tie up my foot. Please.
No, we can't say that on it now.
No, let me tell you guys, she used to tie up my foot
You can't
with
say.
stocking. So when I jump off of the bed.
Yeah, because she broke my heart.
So-
it was just because she always fell off the bed and I thought maybe something would do her head. So, yeah, we did that on occasion.
Then tie up my foot pan with stocking and something. So me always
Yeah,
like,
but very soft. You say you can't show that. Yeah, go get one.
so you want to just show how me jump off my bed and left it at that? Oh God, so well in my head me always I wonder how that look if me dey hang off my bed with one foot hang up in my ear. You ever catch me like that?
No, you did very comfortable. You have your plain things there and your stuff and there was the cats and God knows what.
So you never come in and catch me hang off of the bed for the stocking?
No,
Okay.
that's impossible. How we set it up, you could never hang down anywhere.
Alright, me get to know.
And it was just for your own benefit, so you don't hurt yourself. And it was just for a short time, and I was maybe outside washing or something until I came back in.
Okay. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in once more.
Yes, I survived.
She did not expect any of these questions, so I had to like pick at her a few times.
Yeah, and please don't kill me. If you have any comments down below, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
Irie Man.
This the next month.
See you. Peace.
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 Peace.